Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 56 Ford F-100 and this is by Hotwheels and this comes under their Metro series. So I personally loved this one, so I picked this one up. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Okay, this looks really beautiful. The casting is really nice. The detailings are really nice. So the entire interior is also chromed. See, I personally love this rims. It does, reminds me of ball bearing. The pinstriping looks nice. I don't know what Moonai means, but if you guys have any idea about that, drop it in the comments. This orange color looks really amazing. It's matte finish and it looks really nice to touch. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.